A mother can't trade places, so she stands where pain is worst and refuses to move. That is the power of Our Lady of Sorrows. 7 moments, 7 swords, not to glorify pain, but to purify love. Are you ready to walk with her? One step at a time. Temple light. An old man takes the child, blesses God, and looks at Mary. A sword will pierce your own soul. No timeline, no escape clause. Just love told the truth. This will hurt. Real devotion doesn't promise comfort. It promises companionship. Night orders. A father wakes. A mother wraps. They leave everything because violence hunts the small. Mary learns the taste of exile. New language, borrowed rooms, counting coins. Sorrow here is not poetry. It's packing fast. Crowds everywhere. 12-year-old Jesus is missing. Mary's prayer turns into questions. Where did we lose him? Which street? Which face noticed? 3 days, not 3 minutes. She finds him in the temple teaching like he belongs there. Sometimes love holds the tension between worry and wonder. Streets narrow. A beam scrapes stone. Mary meets her son in a river of insults and dust. She cannot fix the law, stop the soldiers, or edit the story. So she stays visible. Eye contact becomes a sacrament. I am here. I will not abandon you. No shelter. No censorship. Mary stands under the wood as the world plays its worst. Grief here is clean. No revenge. No bitterness. No bargaining with hatred. She receives new family. Behold your mother. Her sorrow opens into a wider love, for you as well. Arms that once held a baby now hold a man. Skin cool, silence heavy. This is the mother's classroom. Love is stronger than the last word of violence. She does not pose for statues. She learns how to breathe with a broken heart, without breaking others. Stone, linen, a place no mother wants for a son. Mary watches the last gesture. Rolled rock, seal, footsteps fading, and chooses to let love rest where she can't reach. Sorrow doesn't end. It hands itself to God. Devotion to Our Lady of Sorrows isn't obsession with sadness. It's training for love in a world that bleeds. Praying the Seven Sorrows Chaplet doesn't add tears. It focuses them. We learn to stand by the frightened, the exiled, the searching, the condemned, the grieving, the families who must say goodbye. And there's a debated title out there, Co-Redemptrix. However you parse the wording, keep the heart of it clear. She co-loves with Christ and points beyond herself. If this walk with Our Lady of Sorrows helped you breathe again, say where in the comments. I'll pin one prayer for us to pray all week. For more saints and feasts told like real life, subscribe and tap the bell. Tomorrow we move from sorrow to surprising joy. Come back to see how the story turns.